Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge. I got an unboxing for you. Got this a few months ago, or maybe about a month ago. Uh, these are not the ones I'm unboxing. These are similar styles. These are all Axis lock style knives. You see the Axis lock on there. These are Ganzo knives, but they all have the Axis lock. See that can drop. So, and then this is a Spyderco Mantic 2. So this is not an Axis lock, but it's the same idea. This is a ball bearing lock, but okay, I'm back again. So anyways, these are Axis style locks. These two are Axis locks. Of course, their Axis locks was originally came out because of Benchmade, and I believe for whatever reason Benchmade let their patent go out, but I think people are going to copy it anyways. So anyway, so this video is on a Free Tiger unboxing, and it is the model. Well, it's an F21, but don't say that on the box. So it's a Free Tiger. Got it from Amazon. I think they're $27, but I think I got it on sale for I think I got mine for well, I think it was $20. I think I got it when it was on sale. So here it is. This is the Free Tiger. Let's do it. Okay, I've already obviously unboxed it, and it has bearings, and so it came with the box. It had it in plastic, and it's a pretty plain box, and it came with your little silky looking nylon cover. So you can see that. It's a nice little extra something. Little something extra for, for somebody. So and here's the knife. Let's see. Wipe it off real quick. So here's the drop shut. Take a real close up. Maybe get up here with this. Zoom this in so you can see it. Alright, so it's a drop point Free Tiger F21 D2. You see the grips, they have some texture on them. Come around here like this. Has the, I believe it was a saber grind. Has the emblem of the Free Tiger on it. The texture really feels like I don't know if I have it around, a Tenacious or a Spyderco Tenacious grip. The inside of the Axis lock. Well, here we go. So it's coming like this vertical. It is skeletonized. You can see it inside there. And it drops shut because it has bearings. So very nice drop shut, flicks open. It's not a flipper. Let me come back down here. I'm gonna flip this to auto. So let's see. So it don't have no flipper. It's just a thumb stud. So, yeah, can't talk. Thumb stud. And it has this like place you can put your thumb up here and choke up on it, or you don't have to. And has a nice finger choil. I don't know if you can see that. It's a finger choil, full finger choil. And then the finger choil, you can bring your thumb all the way up on there and really bite down on something. jimping here, jimping there, jimping there in 3 spots. Trying to think. All right, it's smooth. It's smooth. All right, let's see what we want to do here. Don't want to focus there. That's all right. We're going to do some measurements anyways. Here. All right, so what we got on the weight of it is going to be, turn this puppy on. That was the last button I hit. All right, so 0 on it right now. We're going by ounces. It is 4.85 ounces. So, well, now 4.85. Okay. And then let's see where'd my thing I just tossed it aside? There it is. And it is, turn this on. The handle, I think it is going to be zeroed out. The handle is just over 1/2 inch. So there you go. 5.56. The spine, or the main part of the spine. Oh crap! freaking my cover for the battery popped off. Let's try that. Oh wow! How the heck is trying to get it on when you're trying to put it back on? Let's see. Maybe like this. All right, that's still not on good. That crap. No. Damn it. Let me bring this over here so I can see it. That was not supposed to happen. It has to go like this. Come on. Let me stop the video. Okay, I'm started back up again. Alright, here we go. So, where did we left? We left off at how thick the spine was. And we got about, at the thickest part, it might be 0.12 inches. Let's see, this metric, let's do metric too. I think some people like metric, or 3.1 millimeters. What else? Oh, I do notice it has what do you call it? The pivot screw is right here. You see there's the hole, so it must be trapped in there. So it should be backed. So this has no hole in there, so it should be trapped, so you should be able to take it apart. It's not deep pocket carry. Let's see what it would be like with you. If you did have to, when you pull it in your pocket, it would be sticking out about like that. That's where it would be sticking out at. So, okay. I'll do some size comparisons. Well, since I got the Mannix here, got the Mannix. Well, guys, this is the Mannix. Compare it to the Mannix right there. Oh, we're going to get a measurement here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.5 inches long. Blade is 1, 2, 3, 4. Say almost 4 inches, but technically the finger choil's right there, so you don't really have a cutting edge there. So it's not quite 4 inches long. So get this off. Greasy. There we go. Alright, come put this here. So size comparison is a little bit. The Mannix is a little smaller. We've got the two Gamzo knives. There's that one's pretty equivalent. That one's really close, the same. And last, I might pull another one out of the box. So there you go. That one's considerably shorter. Blade, yeah. So it's a decent sized knife. Let me see if I see anything. What would be more common? What's a common one I can see for you guys? Let's try. How about the Boker? There you go. So it's a bigger knife. It's probably on the edge of people being too big for some people, but I don't mind it. It was weird that this finger, I guess it'd be a thumb spot where you put your thumb. But see, one of the reasons I got the Mannix out is because they both have that big finger choil right there, a full size finger choil. So, all right, well, that's the Free Tiger F21 with D2 still. I'll take a little quick zoom in on it for you guys and call it out. Call it. Oh, I didn't check. Let's see. Real quick, I'll show you what's on Amazon is. And there it is. Oh, see, I don't even think they have the color of mine right now. There's only 9 of them, these ones, but that's a kind of cool looking color, you know. The tan with the black. So they want $27. I'm pretty sure I paid $20 for mine. You gotta watch these. A lot of these knife, like especially these foreign companies, they'll throw some sales. Usually it's like 1/3 off. Usually they drop them down to $19 or $21. You can sometimes get a good deal. So a lot of times you just put them on your wish list and come back sometimes, and you might find a better deal. So, but if you really want it, then you probably should buy it right off the bat, because if you want it, sometimes you got to have it. So, there it is, the Free Tiger. Free Tiger, one more walkthrough. Free Tiger FT21. All right. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.